Hello. I most definitely recorded this video before, but when I tried saving it, it just disappeared. So that's a thing. So this is my first look presentation. So at Arts Fest, I want to give a presentation. I want to have my website up, containing my research on my laptop, and I want to create a 10-page comic using what I learned from my research and experimentation. I'm also considering like having a way that people could view it on their phone or like electronically, because I know that last year when I was trying to read things, like the comics, I couldn't really do it because like it was either like in a weird position that was uncomfortable, or like you just couldn't stand in one place for that long. So that's something that I'm considering. Um, to briefly summarize what my project is, I'm trying to hypothesize what makes engaging and popular comics and manga through case studies. I want to experiment using what I learned from that research, and then I want to implement using what I learned from the experimentation and the research. So the questions that I'm trying to answer are: what makes popular comics and manga, and makes them engaging? What traits make them unpopular, and what makes them unengaging? What similarities am I seeing across the writing style or drawing, I guess, comic book style? And what things are different between the two cultures, the styles of writing and illustration? As far as my audience, uh, my, my my audience first and foremost is myself, because this project is to help me improve as an aspiring comic book artist, and it would also help me understand my audience so I can better cater my comics to what they like. Secondly, my project is to help aspiring comic book artists better understand how they can improve, and I will do that by the blog, which I forgot to say earlier. But yeah, I'm also making a blog um, summarizing my findings. Two artists that are influencing the way I'm looking at all the comics and stuff like that are Masashi Kishimoto and Horikoshi, which are authors of two popular manga that influence the way that I think about my writing all the time. And they also guide me on how to not make the same mistakes that they have, especially Naruto, because it's a good series, but they don't do everything right. As far as things that I'm doing now, I just recently wrapped up American comics, and now I'm moving on to Japanese manga. I also had to adjust my schedule because I was falling way behind, and yeah. And finally, I'm lowering my goals as far as the survey because I am starting late, and my new goal is 185 people. And these are the next steps, which is Japanese manga, then experimentation, and then the implementation phase. And that's all. Thank you so much.